This morning I'm talking about our Waypoint Cabinetry line, which is by American Woodmark. They're a very affordable line that keeps their pricing down because they don't have as many door styles and finish options, which isn't a bad thing, but that's what condenses their catalog and keeps that pricing in just about everybody's budget. The colors and the door styles intermingle with each other, so you don't feel like you have to just get this door style in blue. You could get it in a stain or in a paint. And they have a lifetime warranty on their cabinetry, which makes it, it helps you determine whether it's a quality line. A cabinet line is not going to put a lifetime warranty on something that they don't feel is going to hold up for the life of your kitchen. Some cabinet lines have a 1 year, some have a 5 year, so that lifetime warranty is important. They offer the same options as a lot of your higher end cabinet lines with the soft close drawers and doors, full extension, dovetail drawer boxes. They're just an overall, to me, good line to go with if you're trying to keep your budget down and still want a good cabinet line.